Alright, Cam's new record. 6 feet. Awesome. I'm gonna do it. Oh, look who's here. Let's go! Roscoe, watch out, don't get on trampoline. I'm so scared.
You already did it.
I know, but this is scary because I'm holding my phone.
Jump over me.
Fuck no, dude. That's way too fucking scary.
You're a pussy, that's all.
No, dude, get out of here. It's like nerving me out, bro.
Nerving you out.
Fuck yeah. Cobra's just an idiot. Oh, let's do this. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2. Get out, dude. You're gonna push the trampoline.
I wasn't. I was just grabbing my cup.
Fuck out of here. St. Costco, biatch.
St. Costco. Damn it.
Yeah! Oh my god, that was so scary! Come on, let's go.
Oh, crap. It's not far, just run and jump. Just jump as far as you can. Run. If you have to run and just jump.
Oh!
Alright, guys. Ow! Your butt. Alright, Evan, let me see your phone.
Hold on, let me watch that.